everybody, today we're going to read a story called The Greedy Dog, retold by Frith. Dog was always hungry. One day he trotted to the market. He spotted a bone. "Look at that bone," Dog barked. "I want it." No one was looking. Greedy Dog grabbed the bone, then he ran away. "Hey!" He ran and ran. "I'm so clever." Soon he came to a river. Dog looked into the water. He saw another dog. "That dog has a bigger bone," he thought. "I want it." He growled at the dog in the water. The dog in the water growled back. He barked at the dog in the water. "Roof!" The bone fell out of his mouth. Splash! The other dog vanished. "Oh no," barked Dog. "Now I have no bone at all." There was no dog in the water. It was Greedy Dog reflection all along. "I'm so silly." The end. If you like my story, you can like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.